face challenges in life, obstacles that seem insurmountable, and dreams that appear out of reach. It is during these moments that we often question if we have what it takes to succeed. But remember, the path to triumph lies within your determination to hold fast and never give up. Throughout history, countless individuals have defied the odds and overcome seemingly impossible circumstances. They achieved greatness not because of their circumstances, but because of their unwavering determination. Look at Nelson Mandela, who spent 27 years in prison fighting for justice and equality. His determination to make a difference and to never surrender transformed him into a symbol of hope and a catalyst for change. Or consider Malala Yousafzai, who faced persecution for advocating girls' education. Her unwavering determination led her to defy the forces that tried to silence her. And today, she is an inspiration to millions around the world. And perhaps one of the greatest examples is Thomas Edison. He failed thousands of times before successfully inventing the electric light bulb. Each failure was not a setback for him but a step closer to the realization of his dreams. Helen Keller, despite being deaf and blind, showed the world that determination can transcend any physical limitations. Her relentless pursuit of education and advocacy for the disabled serve as a testament to the power of determination. Oprah Winfrey, born into poverty and facing numerous challenges, used her determination to rise above her circumstances and become one of the most influential media personalities in the world. Her journey inspires us to believe in the power of our dreams. These examples remind us that triumph is not reserved for the select few. We all possess the strength to overcome adversities, if we embrace determination as our guiding beacon. So, what drives determination? It is the unwavering belief in your goals, the refusal to succumb to self-doubt, and the recognition that every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Determination is a force that fuels progress, propelling us forward even when the path seems blurry. It is the unwavering commitment to embrace challenges head-on, knowing that true triumph lies just beyond our comfort zones. Surround yourself with a supportive community, those who believe in you even when you doubt yourself. Remember, their encouragement can provide the strength and motivation needed to push through the hardest of times. Hold fast to your dreams, for determination is the key that unlocks the door to a brighter future. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to the triumph you seek. Triumph through determination may not come easy, but it is your willingness to put in the effort, to persevere through the toughest moments, and to remain steadfast that will determine your success. Hold fast, for triumph is not reserved for the lucky but for those who dare to dream, those who refuse to give up, and those who exemplify the mantra, hold fast, triumph through determination. Let determination be the compass that guides your journey, the fire that fuels your passions, and the unwavering belief that drives you to overcome any obstacle. With determination, triumph is not just a possibility, it is a certainty.